Hi friend, and welcome to the second video of the basic crochet tutorial. This time we're tackling the double crochet, which is probably the most used crochet stitch in all crochet history. Okay, we're going to start with a slip knot that we learned the last time, and then we're going to pop it on our hook, tighten it up, and then we are ready to go. And we are going to start by chaining 12. Now, if you haven't seen the first video of the basic single crochet stitch and how to chain and how to do a slip knot, I will link that video up in the corner in the cards or put it in the description box below this video. All right, we have 12 chains ready. All right, let me get a little bit closer so we can see what we're doing. We are going to yarn over, and then we are going to skip the first 3 chains and then put our hook into the 4th chain, holding on to the yarn that we just yarned over. Just count the stitches and go into the 4th chain from the top, like this. And now yarn over and pull it through that loop so that we have 3 loops on our hook. And now we're going to yarn over just like we did in the single crochet, but this time we're only going to pull through the first 2, not all the way through, just these 2, and stop. That's the first crochet, and since this is a double, we are going to yarn over again and then pull through the last 2, completing our double crochet. That's it. That is the double crochet. Now let's do it again. Let's go over our chain, yarn over, and then we are going to hold that yarn and then find the next chain in the row and then put it through. Yarn over and pull that yarn through that loop. And then here's our 3 loops on our hook. And then we are going to yarn over and pull through the very first 2 and stop. And then we are going to yarn over and pull through the final crochet, completing the double crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over and then go into the very next chain. Yarn over and pull through the yarn through that chain, getting the 3 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the very first 2 loops, creating the first crochet, and then another one completing the double crochet. That is it. It's really, really simple. Now it's starting to look like something, but not quite there yet. It's okay. The first row is always like the weirdest looking row, but that's okay. Now let's get going and finish the row. I'm going to do this slowly so you can join me. And if you want to make this video even slower, you can just adjust your speed so that it's not too hard to catch up with what I'm doing. And we're just going to keep on going. We got 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. That is all we do. We create 3 loops on our hook and then yarn over, pull through each of the 2 sets, creating a double crochet. All right, we've come to the very last stitch, so let's complete the row. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2, creating the first crochet. And then yarn over and pull through the final ones, creating the double crochet. And that is our first row. It's the weirdest looking row. but it's gonna look different as you keep adding rows and rounds on top of each other. That's what it looks like if it was a single row. But I want to do, like I want to continue. I want to continue at least 2 more rows so that you can see how it's going to turn out once there's more than 1 row. Now we're going to yarn over and then chain 1 and then chain 2, and then we are going to turn our work after we have 2 chains. Those 2 chains going to count as the first double crochet of the second row. And we're ready to do the second row. We are going to do exactly what we just did, go into each stitch and then double crochet all until we come to the end. And doing our final stitch, and we've completed 3 rows, and this is what it looks like. Oh, so cute and so small, but you get the idea. So next video we're going to be tackling the half double crochet and treble crochet. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for joining. Bye.